My name is John Komar. I'm the executive director for ACE, and ACE is the Ontario Tech University's core research facility. And the anchor on this site is a one-of-a-kind, world first climatic aerodynamic wind tunnel. And it's climatic aerodynamic because our tunnel can go from -40 to +60, and we control humidity 5 to 95%. We have full solar array, so when it's hot, it's sunny. And we can control the climate. If you want snow, we can give you wet snow, dry snow, sleet, rime ice fog. We actually have some small SMEs that are working in architectural and civil work that in fact work on these climate change problems, heavy snow on skyscrapers. And we were able to do some of the climatic and harsh environmental simulations that they couldn't do. So those are kind of main partnerships. A small and pretty exciting partnership that got us actually more into the sports performance was back a smaller Canadian company that actually does race team ski suits. So here we are in the tunnel. We developed a aerodynamic balance. We developed a setup where the skier, in fact, could be in a position and then got real-time feedback that we projected out and then traced out so that they could find their optimal positions. And then we simulated the course and the speeds, but instead of being on the hill, in fact, their coach could literally be right beside them coaching them through. So ACE is really all about being a solutions provider that drives innovation. It is a tool in Canada's toolbox that is available to everyone. You can get $120 million worth of facility and hundreds of years of experience. So they don't already have to have a solution in mind because we can help them work through what they're trying to work through.